Hey guys, welcome to our blending lesson today. So first we're going to go over the letters and sounds that we've learned so far, and then we'll get to blending some of our words. So today we're going to work on the B sound, which says what? Go ahead and shout it out. Buh, buh, thank you. And we're also going to work on the L sound, which says what? Shout it out. Ol, thanks. Alright, so A says what? Ah, like apple. And C says what? K, like camel. And D says what? D, like dolphin. And E says what? Like egg. And F says what? Like fire. And what does H say? Hippo. I says like insect. M says like map. N says like nest. O says like octopus. P says like piano. R says like rose. S says like sun. T says like turtle. All right. So I will say the word, then you say the word, and then I'll break it up into sounds, and after I say each one, I'll point to you, and that's when you say it. So our first word, bat. Bat. So there's a B, like our bat card here, so B says what? B. And A, like the apple card, what does A say? Ba. And here's T, what does T say? Bat. Okay, next word. Sat. Sat. So S says S. And A says sa. And T says sat. Bit. Bit. So that B says what? B. And I says what? B. And T says bit. Right, next word. Hit. Hit. So there's H like the hippo card. What does H say? And I like the insect card. What does that say? Hit. And then T like the turtle card. What does T say? Let's blend. Hit. All right, and lip, your turn. Lip. So L, like the lemon card, says what? Ol. And I says I, ul, I, li. And P says pa, ul, I, p, lip. Lid, lid, ul, I, d, lid. So L says ul, like the lemon card. And I, like the insect card, says what? I, ul, I, li. And D, like the dolphin card, says what? D. Let's blend. Ul, I, d, lid. And rid, your turn. I, d, rid. R says I, like the insect card, says I, ri. And D says da, I, da, rid. So I just did a little bit of letter math in my head, and I noticed that if I take this word lid and I subtract, I take away the L, and then I put an R there instead, it becomes rid. I, da, rid. So that means that these two words rhyme. They have that same ending sound. And rip, rip. I, p, rip. I hear that at the beginning. And then I, like the insect card, says I, ri. And P says pa, I, pa, rip. And had, h, a, d, had. So I hear h at the beginning. What letter is going to say h? That's right, H. H will say that h sound. And A says a, ha. And D says da, h, a, d, had. H says h. A says a, h, a, ha. T says t, h, a, t, hat. And next word, hot, your turn. H, a, t, hot. So H says ha. And O says ah. Let's blend those. H, a, ha. And T says ta, h, a, ta, hot. Next word, lot, your turn. Ul, a, ta, lot. So at the beginning of that word, I hear that ul, like the lemon cards, that's L. And O says ah, like the octopus card. Ul, a, la. And then T says ta, let's blend. Ul, a, ta, lot. Excellent. Let's read our words, and then we'll go into our sentence. So really try to use those blending skills, guys. So, bat, b, a, t, bat. Sat, bit, hit, it, hit, lip, p, lip, lid, d, lid, rid, d, rid, rip, p, rip, had, d, had, hat, at, hat, hot, t, hot, lot, t, lot. All right, let's do a sentence. Sentences are probably my favorite part of blending. So B says ba, like the bat card. So there's actually going to be two reasons that this B is capitalized. So one, it's at the beginning of a sentence. And I want you to just go ahead and think about what the other reason might be. And I says I, ba, be. And two L's, that means we're going to really double up on that L sound, that ol. So let's blend. Ba, ol. Bill, bill. All right, so now, do we see why the B is capitalized? Number one, it's at the beginning of our sentence. Number two, it is a name. Bill is a person, so we have to capitalize his name. There's the word is. This is a high frequency word. We can't sound it out, so we just have to know is says what? Is. And A says what? Ah. And T says ta. Let's blend. At. And B says what? Ba. A says ba, ba. And T says what? Ta. Let's blend. Ba, at, bat. All right, so let's read our sentence. Bill is at bat. So our sentence is missing something. What do you think it's missing? It's missing a period. It's missing a period. All right, so now let's go ahead and read our sentence now that it's complete because we have a period at the end. Bill is at bat. Right, so this word is where. So what's the word? Where. And this is a high frequency word. We can't sound it out. We just have to know that W-H-E-R-E is what word? Where. Same thing with this word is, just like up here. I-S says what word? Is. Like another high frequency word. What's the word? The. T-H-E says the. You can't sound it out. And L says what? Oh, like that lemon card. And I says I. Let's blend those sounds. O, I, li. D says da. O, I, da. Lid. Lid. All right, let's go ahead and read our sentence. Where is the lid? Let's read it once more. Where is the lid? So notice what I did with my voice there. It kind of went up just a wee bit when I got to the end of the sentence. Now that normally happens when you're asking a question. Okay, so in this case, The question is, where is the lid? It has an answer, so it has to have a question mark. And be like, where's that lid? Oh, it's on the counter over there. All right, so let's read our blending word just one time. Or we'll read our sentences. Bill is at bat. Your turn. Thank you. All right. Where is the lid? Your turn. Thank you so much for all of your participation. You can really tell people are using all their blending skills. All right. See you later, guys.